shots were amazing, right? All it came without any hardware needs. All of that was the magic of Google Studio. So, what is Google Studio? Basically, right now it is a television program, and so it requires a form to be filled. Link down in the description. Currently, it only works for Google Chrome and uses the same database as Google Earth. It took about 1 month for me to receive the permission to use a web-based app. There's that. But beyond that is a great software to get shots which I haven't taken before. If you're permitted for its use, here's how it works. So first of all, there's a page to start the project. Clicking Brand Project will provide complete handling of the shots taken in the video from the very start. However, if you are not into that complex stuff, there's also a quick start option for a quick and reliable work by the program itself. There are various options like the zoom to, orbit, point to point, spiral, and this last one, fly to orbit. All of them are very cool, but now we are going for the orbit. It's ask for the location and the colosseum looks good. You may see all these different options to adjust, so you still have much control over the footage before going all manual on that. Ten seconds are enough. No one wants to look at the same thing for say 50 seconds. That may be helpful for some bigger projects, but that's not the case right now. As you can see, the interface is very similar to the standards of the industry with those attributes and keyframes controls on the timeline. There are various controls like camera position with the pan and tilt, or how much will it rotate over time. The other attributes as well, like this field of view. You can also change the time of the environment over those 10 seconds footage. Let's try 12 PM. Add a keyframe, go to the end. Change the time to 6 PM and add the keyframe. And here's the result. The quality might seem to be low, but it will add those details during the rendering. There is also an option to make these changes in the map itself if it seems to be difficult by adding keyframes everywhere in the timeline. There are these options of animations as well, like I can use auto ease to not make the end go slow, making it look more pleasing. After you're all done, you may render the clip. There is an option to keep tracking data for After Effects to use, and the texture quality. The rendering takes 5 to 10 minutes and we'll wait for that. So the rendering has completed and the file size is pretty large at around 200 MB. Also, the video has been downloaded as each individual frame, so there are 300 frames for a 10-second clip at 30 frames per second. To convert it into a video, we are using Filmora. Open the folder of images into Filmora. After that, add these images into your timeline. Double click any of the images and reduce the duration to 1 frame like this. And click apply to all. You're all done. The clip may look a bit odd. This may be because Filmora by default does not use 30 FPS. To correct it, click on export, then settings, and change the frame rate to 30. Here is the final result after exporting the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.